Nature is beautiful. It is powerful. It is unpredictable. Accidents happen. Being prepared is crucial. A sprained ankle or a cut can be scary, especially if you are miles from help. Basic first aid knowledge is vital. It can be the difference between a small mishap and a disaster. We love the outdoors, but we need to respect it. Understand the risks. Dehydration is a big one. Symptoms: headache, dizziness, fatigue. Heat exhaustion is another danger. Watch for heavy sweating, weakness. Then there are the injuries: cuts, sprains, burns. Know how to identify them. First aid doesn't need to be complex. Simple techniques are effective. For cuts: control the bleeding, clean the wound, apply antibiotic ointment, cover with a bandage. Sprains require rice, rest, ice, compression, elevation. Learn how to make a splint. It can be a lifesaver for a suspected fracture. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Pack it in a waterproof bag, keep it accessible. What's inside? Bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers. Don't forget sunscreen and insect repellent. A whistle can signal for help. A space blanket can provide warmth. Preparation is key. Knowledge is power. Stay safe out there.